ihinda-ini riake ria kurikia miri yake akiutete gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya, Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga niageire na giikaro na gikundi kia mbeu njithi kuuma gicigo-ini giki aria magiire na mweke wa gutemania mamwe ma maria makenda mamuriko angikorwo Raila niakahota githurano-ini kia mwaka ukite. Raila akiuga mbeu njithi matigatigwo na thutha na niagatigirira nimaheo mieke ya kuigana thirikari-ini yake angikorwo niakona murango wa thingira wa iregi.
People thinking that lazima mtu wetu akue kwa kiti ndio sisi tukue kwa serikali. It's because of the inequalities that have been demonstrated in the past.
Sasa na sisi tunadai haki yetu kama vijana wa nchi. Lazima tuwe na excellent program.
At least 4 in the cabinet. I can say it will be more than 4.
Ihinda-ini riu niakinyereirie bata wa utongoria wa atumia akiranira mamwe ma maria mari BBI-ini na mahutagia utongoria wa atumia nimagatigirira nimakinyanirio.
We can have the two-thirds gender rule implemented, and not just a two-thirds gender rule. I'm here to speak on behalf of young women. We want a purple zebra matrix.
We are the people who have insulted you for the longest time possible. But gather here, Baba, we want to seek for your forgiveness because we want to work together.
So I don't need to be convinced. That's why we put in the BBI. And I said that if you don't do it here, you do an election 2022, the results are not going to be very different. For reasons that I've already mentioned. I believe in this. And this is something that is determined to resolve, irrespective of what the court did with BBI.
Ndeto igie waragania githurano-ini kia mwaka ukite, Raila arauga nimehotorete ugatigirira githurano kia president nigakorwo kiri na uma na waragania na bururi ndukarika irima-ini ria ngui ni undu wa githurano.
Ensure that elections are held which are free and fair. And these coming elections of 2022, if Uhuru is the president, I can assure you it will be very free and fair.
Giikaro-ini giki na kiria gigwikinyitio ni kiheri gia atongoria mwahwa kieleweke. Raila no augire ni mahotire gutwithania motiganu mao na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na ngeithi ciao ni citeithitie bururi kugia na thayu.
Uhuru, your brothers, even if you fight for elections, you just fight. But we ensure that never again will Kenyans fight after an election.
Because the handshake was the greatest action from your end to show that you really care and you want us to live in peace and harmony.
Naona gutwika ndari araumukania wega kana niagakorwo ndebe-ini githurano-ini giukite. Raila kwa ihinda riu akoretwo akigia na micemanio na ikundi ngurani cia atongoria igeri-ini ria kwiyarira na kumatio nyiti mbaru wake wothe bururi-ini meharĩria-ini ma githurano kinene. Ribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mutongoria.